So what makes a good tape measure? Well, first of all, it's got to be well built, a bit weighty. Obviously, something like this is constructed very well indeed. And then it's all about accuracy. What you've got to look for when you're buying a tape measure is a Class 2 accuracy symbol. Now that's the logo just there. Now what this means, it means over a 3 metre length of tape measure, it cannot be over 1 millimetre out. That's Class 2 accuracy. All of the Stanley tape measures are Class 2 accurate. Also on here we've got the actual hook that goes on the end of the tape. This one's got hooks out the side, which is great if you're doing something like bricklaying. You can just poke it into the mortar joint, get your measurement off the tape measure, because as soon as you turn a tape measure on the side, it rolls over. That makes it very, very difficult to use if you're working by yourself. Another feature of this, as well as the other tape measures, is a thing called True Zero. Now what this means is when you push your tape measure up to a piece of work, if you're measuring it, the rivets at the end allow the hook at the end to move. Now most people think that this is actually a problem with a tape measure, but it's meant to be like that, because as you push in, it takes into account the thickness of that hook at the end, and as you're measuring on top of something, pulling away from it, like I am on this course of bricks, it works the other way. It compensates for the thickness of the blade. So in important measurements, which let's face it these days you've got to have, it means that the accuracy is 100%.